Let me show you around inside our Citroën Relay camper build we did. Managed to do it in about 4 weeks, something like that. About 50 litre fridge there. Freezer, the fridge, and controllers there from the panel. Toilet there, that will be going and sliding under there. Just haven't got round to doing that yet. Pull out sofa, bed will pull out there. Make it into a double. Set of units there from IKEA. And a 120 there. I think that one's 40mm unit. I think that's 120. Sink there. Hot and cold water. 240 volts with USB and Type C. So then we've got a 10 litre water tank for hot water here. Heats up pretty quick, uses AC and DC. Diesel heater. Also got our inverter there for when we're off grid. We've got double bed, max air fan, and our LED light in there. Speakers and a 12 volt telly, also 240. We just run the Amazon stick off that, but it is a smart TV. Still haven't gotten around to doing the carpeting on the back doors, but been going away most weekends now since it's been sort of good to use. So yeah, I will eventually get around to that. We've had to put some roll down blinds in here because of the sheer size of that window. I think it's about 190, 200 centimetre window. We're just kind of getting no blinds for it. But we're going to see what we can do later on with that. Got the fly screen there. We're going and doing the NC 500 end of July. So we're definitely going to need that. There's plenty of storage underneath these. As you can see there, loads of crap under there. Got seat covers on these. Got these foam cushions built off someone on Facebook Marketplace. Quite comfortable, to be fair. We've got absolute massive skylight here. Find it really difficult to get a cover to cover that. I think it was like 100 by 60 or something like that. So yeah, I find it really difficult to get a cover to go over that. So a lot like coming in at the minute on a morning, but we're just happy to get away, to be fair. In this cupboard, we've just got a 25 litre waste tank there, grey waste. Snacks, bin there. And that one there is just the back of the fridge, really. Fridge is 12 volt and 240. These drawers, just a load of crap in them, to be fair. A few cooking stuff, pots and pans, plates. In the back of the van we have, well, in the garage we have 75 litre water tank, obviously the diesel heater. We're running a 3000 watt inverter, 280 amp hour battery, 400 watt solar panel. I don't know if I mentioned that, 400 watt solar panel on the roof. So yeah, ample amounts of power. Do think I might get another battery later on, but we're going to see how we get on with the one that we've got. But I will update it if I do need another battery. The water heater's back there as well in the garage. See that diesel heater pipe in there, and a sock that I think the wife has left from about 2 weeks ago. I think that was, to be fair. I'm sure I seen it last weekend as well. Yeah, also forgot to mention, do have a shower in the back as well. I will eventually be sticking the shower head up on there and getting some sort of shower privacy screen. I've seen a few on eBay that look good. I think they're like stuck to the window, and it sort of like has like 4 panels that are wrap around you, 4 or 5 panels for the privacy. I think that'd be good, especially going off grid, especially for like a couple of weeks and stuff like that. Obviously want to be able to get a shower and stuff in the morning, just a quick freshen up. But yeah, got a shower on the back. You know, wash like things like wetsuits, paddleboard, quick rinse down, get sea salt and stuff off you, you know, when you've been out on the beach, stuff like that. Just get it nice and clean. And maybe if the dog gets dirty as well, we do now and then take the dog with us as well. But yeah, the kids like to keep it at home, so sometimes yeah, she doesn't come along, which is a shame.